Ethereum had a massive move, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Our Telegram channel has been absolutely killing it with our trade setups, as well as the fact that we have been analyzing a ton of short-term positions that you guys can take, so make sure to check out the link in the bio. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Ethereum analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, as you guys can see, Ethereum has completely capitulated, and there are a few things I want to talk about in this video. Number one, of course, being the fact that the 1518 support level was a major factor for us throughout the weeks. I kept mentioning to you guys the reason Ethereum saw this massive manipulation opportunity. We could be looking for a very large bar formation to play out, and for those of you in the Telegram channel, you guys already knew the fact that 1518 being broken is a massive bearish confluence. Now, zooming out on the chart, you'll notice a few things. We of course had two situations that could play out on Ethereum. Number one, of course, was the fact that if we ended up breaking 1518, we could be looking for a massive capitulation event like we saw over here, as well as the second situation, which was also bearish, was the fact that we could be looking for a clean breakdown formation and then retesting 1421 for a possible recovery. Now that we are retesting the 1421 level, there are a few things to know. Number one, of course, the fact that we saw a very clean breakdown formation on Ethereum, and now we are using the same level as resistance. This is a really large indicator that you have to pay attention to. What I'm waiting to see is, of course, is whether or not Ethereum can try to break above these exponential moving averages, use them as support, as well as this range as 1421 before that continuation. But if we end up retesting this level as resistance, this would not be the buy opportunity we are looking for. Right now, zooming out on the chart, you'll see that the next support level on Ethereum remains at 1331, which of course was a very large resistance area. You can see that we saw three test confirmations before we finally broke out of that range, and this is exactly the level that I'm going to be paying attention to, assuming we don't end up holding 1421. Now, of course, we had a ton of bearish news in the market today, and a lot of people are in panic mode, but this is something that you guys need to consider. Of course, the fact that we saw such a large drop opportunity, we can't just be looking at RSI and saying this is a good area to buy. This is the problem with a lot of traders, and I've noticed a lot of you guys mentioning even yesterday that I'm looking for a buy opportunity right since Ethereum broke the 1480. The reason why I always suggest to wait and never try to catch a falling knife is this exact situation. You can see that Ethereum hunted a lot of stops yesterday, and a lot of bulls got trapped immediately after we saw that same cascading event on another major support level being broken. And not only that, but even on the hourly time frame right now, things are becoming extremely choppy. So this is why I suggest just waiting on the sidelines and seeing how Ethereum plays out. Now, of course, I mentioned to you guys that if assuming the 1421 level does hold, I'm looking for the number one indicator, which is of course on our 4-hour time frame, that three test confirmation. Assuming we do see that three test confirmation, which those of you that are new to the channel, it's basically 3 wick opportunities, and then you enter on the third one for that buy. Ideally, we could be looking for a possible retest to 1518 because of the fact that we saw such a large move. We now have to retest this area as resistance before we continue pushing lower, which of course would be the area of opportunity that we are looking for. Now, if we see here on the daily time frame, you'll notice the fact that I was mentioning on the weekend last week that we could be looking for our exponential moving averages for a very nice short squeeze opportunity, retest those levels, and then a stronger continuation. Now you guys are seeing on the daily time frame what happened. We retested Ethereum in terms of exponential moving averages, rejected off that level, and saw a massive breakdown formation. And right now we do have a hammer candlestick being formed on a major daily support, but until the daily closes, we have to be very careful because of course the fact that we are trading on weekend volume starting tomorrow. I am expecting a ton of manipulation, so make sure you guys set those proper stops. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.